40 for Broughton. Henrik Harlaut, who scored a 40 on his first attempt. What can he do to bump up his score?
I think we'll see the nose butter coming off, nose buttering a triple right there. And that's a trick that he's used to win 2 X Games, I believe three X Games gold medals.
All 3 of his gold medals, yeah.
Have had to do with this trick right here, the nose butter triple cork 1620. He even attempted to bring that to the Olympic Games, and man, it has done so well for him in the past. He seemingly has it in his back pocket. It's such a complex trick. Oh my gracious!
Wow, 46! Henrik Harlaut dropping a hammer.
And that's got to be perfect. That's where you have to be very square.
Our current leader, Henrik Harlaut, he's got a 40 and a 46.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Henrik Harlaut wants another gold medal, and it's runs like this that might put him back on top.
And he's got his belly down and his feet are orbiting out around his body. I wouldn't call that a double rodeo, which was kind of what the trick caller was saying. That's definitely a belly down kind of downside orbital flat spin. It's such an interesting rotation, and oh my gosh.
Another 46 for Harlaut, and he is just sprinting past the field here tonight, Luke.
Henrik, you have the most golds in this discipline, and as soon as practice starts, it just looks like you are having a blast. You got a smile on your face, you're dancing. Would you say that fun is the motivation behind this and what the attributes to your success?
Yeah, probably. It's just like the most fun thing I know in this world, so it can't be more fun than this.
And you have the most golds in this discipline. What keeps you coming back year after year?
I get invited, so I have the chance and opportunity. Thank you. I'm very honored about that, and yeah, it's just fun.
And I have to ask you, I mean, you have the largest clothes I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, what size sweatshirt are you wearing right now?
It's a tall tee, 108 centimeter, some 2004 Tanner Hall Oakley pants, and Lynx Beach jacket double XL.
Well, doing it in style. Congratulations on another gold medal. Norway, make some noise for Henrik Harlaut! Back to you guys.